Good afternoon. Thanks for visiting us here. We're in sunny Miami today, and we're going to walk through a 2006 59-foot Grand Banks. My name is Scott Roberton, and I'm going to take you through this vessel. Today we're going to start on the aft deck. And on the aft deck we have a teak all the way across side to side. We offer a really nice table that can be seat up to 6 to 8 people. You got seating across the back of it. One of the nice features that this boat offers is an integrated stairwell to the bridge. This is very important when it comes to motoring in heavy seas, and very nice at the dock as well. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to walk you into the salon, so follow me in. For the salon, you're going to notice that we got very, very large windows on port and starboard side. We got a TV that pops up and down over on this starboard side of the boat. And while that's coming up, this is a 3-stateroom, 3-head boat, dual stations. We got a lower station here, and we got one up on the bridge. So make your way on in. You can see the television here off to the starboard side coming up, which is real nice. Real nice wood interior, carpeted flooring. And then as you make your way up into the galley and upper helm, this is all got teak and holly flooring. The upper area here on the starboard side, you're going to have your dinette. Real nice large table, matte finish teak, great seating on an L shape. Across from the dinette is your galley. You got a 4-burner cooktop, you got your microwave, you've got a dishwasher, you also have a refrigerator and a freezer pull drawers and a trash compactor. Just forward of the galley is going to be your lower helm. 2 real nice skid leather chairs. You've got radar, autopilot, dual screens up here. You have a bow thruster up here as well. So real good controls, easy to use, and follow me downstairs and we're going to take a look at the 3 staterooms. We're down below and we're in the master stateroom. All raised paneling wood in here, queen size bed, all carpeting, natural light on the port and starboard sides, which is a really nice feature. And then you have the master stateroom head over here as well. And behind the door is a separate shower. Now we're going to make our way up to the front and show you the VIP guest room. So now we're in the bow VIP room. Queen size bed, great wood paneling. Both starboard and port sides of this stateroom have natural light that comes through the hull side windows. Very, very nice for a year of this size boat. You got 2 additional escape lights out the top here, and it's a very, very comfortable size room. Got your own separate head and your separate shower as well. Now we're going to make our way to the 3rd guest room. Our 3rd stateroom has 2 single beds. One you can see in the video right now, and the other one is across from it, but they're 2 single beds that have a partition between them. Forward of the 3rd guest room is the day head that this stateroom also would use, but this is also considered the day head on the boat. You have a shower within this as well. In the bow of the Grand Banks, you got some really nice seating areas up here that on both sides of the boat, and then forward of that we have dual anchors. Both anchors, really nice on a size boat to have dual anchors. That's just very different, but the 59 Grand Banks does offer that. Again, this area up here is very spacious, which is really nice. And then now what we're going to do is make our way around the side decks, because this boat has full walkarounds, and we're going to go up on the bridge. Okay, we're on the bridge now, and on the back area back here you have the ability to put yourself a hard bottom inflatable dinghy up here if you like. Right now we just have 2 chairs. We do have a full davit, which is nice. And then just forward of the davit, you have a grill and a sink. So this is the 2nd grill on the boat, because we also have one that's down in the lower aft deck. As you make your way forward, you're going to see there's a really nice L-shaped seating with a teak table on the starboard side. And on the port side, you've got a straight seating, but this is great for conversation. Nice hardtop, as you can see here. And forward of that is 2 real nice helm seats and full controls. You got your bow thruster controls up here, your engine controls, everything you need to pilot this boat. Now we're back on the aft deck, and we're going to make our way around the side decks to show you the width of the walkarounds, but also we have engine access. But before we go there, this is a really nice feature on the aft deck, is docking controls. So you got your throttle controls here, but you also have a bow thruster. But kind of move this way and you're going to see how nice and wide these walkarounds are, all the way around to the front. And this door here is going to be our engine room access. So now we made our way down in the engine room. And inside here we've got twin C18 Caterpillar engines. We have a 21.5 kW generator that's in this area as well. But as you look at how clean this boat is for a 2006, it is meticulously maintained all the way through. We're now in the lazarette area, which is just aft of the engine room. And back here, there's some really cool stuff. First is we got a full workbench here with a vise. Over there on the other side is a full-blown Watermaker, which is really nice for a size boat like this again. And then we have a toolbox. On the starboard side of the lazarette, there's a nice size freezer in here, which is just very, very useful when you do long trips to the Bahamas or various areas that are over a couple week period. And then right next to that is our second generator. This is a 13.5 kW generator, but it's nice. This boat actually offers 2 generators. Thanks for taking the time to walk through this 2006 59-foot Grand Banks, but just to do a quick recap, 3 stateroom, 3 head, real nice salon, 2 stations, lower and upper, and then the C18 Cats, 1,000 horsepower, around 1,550 hours. It's not a lot of hours for a 2006. This boat is maintained to the tens. All the services are done. The services for the engines and the generators are about 8-9 months old, and the intercoolers for the engines have also been done. So this boat also offers the dual generators and the Watermaker. Overall, this boat is ready to go. Please give me a call at 727-638-7890, or you can email me at scott.r@marinemax.com. And again, thanks for your time.